Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Labubu as Luffy from One Piece. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the eyes. Let's draw two curves out and up, leaving a gap in the center. Now underneath, let's draw a long curve down and back up for the shape of the eyes. And now inside each one, let's draw a long oval. And then add a circle inside at the top. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop to the center and let's draw the nose, starting with a curve across and a V-shaped point underneath. Next, underneath, we're going to draw the mouth. Let's start on the left side next to the eye and let's draw a curve down, across, and up on the right. Now underneath for the teeth, let's start in the center and let's draw two V-shaped points. And then work our way out on both sides. And lastly, for the face here, let's draw the scar on the right side. Next to the eye, let's draw a curve down and add two lines across. Now let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the face. Let's start on the sides and let's draw two curves down. And a curve across the bottom. Now we're going to hop to the top and draw the hair. Let's start on the top right and let's draw a curve over to the center and bring it down on top of the eye. And curve it up at the bottom. Now next to it, let's draw a curve over on the right side and then a wavy line to close it off on top. Now let's hop over to the center and let's draw a curve down on the left and curve it up. And now let's add one more piece on the left by curving it down towards the mouth and a larger curve on top like this. Now let's hop out and let's draw the pieces of hair coming out from the sides. On the left side, let's draw a wavy line out and curve it down. And the same thing on the right side. Now for the next piece, we're going to do the same thing going down. So let's hop in and let's draw a wavy line down and curve it in. Now for the next pieces, let's curve it down and up. And then one more smaller one on both sides, leaving a gap in the center. Now let's continue the hair on top. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a wavy line out and curve it back down. And the same on the right side. Now let's add another piece on top in the same way on the left and on the right. And then two more on top. Next on top here, let's draw the ears. We'll start with a curve up on the left and bring it down. And the same on the right side, leaving a gap in the center. Now inside each ear, let's draw 2 more curves up. And then 2 more curves inside the middle section. And that's it for the ears. Now let's hop in between and let's finish off the hair with a small point up and back down in the center. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop to the bottom and draw the body. Underneath the head, let's start with 2 curves down. And a curve across the bottom. Now from both sides, let's draw a curve down. And bring it down and back up. Now on both sides, let's draw a curve down and in. Next, we're going to hop down and let's draw the vest, starting with 2 curves down on the sides and another set of curves next to it. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Now in the center, let's draw 2 curves at the bottom. And then add a curve in from both ends, leaving a gap in the center. Now let's hop up and let's draw the scar on the chest. Let's start in the center and let's draw a V-shaped point up on an angle on the left and the right. And then let's add 2 more underneath. And that's it for the torso. Now let's hop out and draw the arms. Let's start on both sides and let's draw a curve down. Now at the ends, let's draw the hands by curving it up and out. Then underneath, let's draw a curve, leaving it open. And another curve down and out underneath. And close off the hands on the outside with a curve down. Now to finish off the sleeve, let's draw a curve down and up underneath. Then another larger curve under this one. And then an angle back up and into the body. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move down and draw the legs. We'll start by drawing the left leg with 2 angles over, like this. And then a bumpy line on an angle across. Now let's continue that bumpy line around and up. Now underneath, let's angle it back over to the right side. And then for the foot, let's draw a curve over to the left and a small curve in at the bottom. Now for the next toe, let's draw another curve down and let's bring it over to close off the foot. Now to draw the sandal, let's draw 2 curves inside each toe. And then 2 larger curves down next to it. Now for the bottom of the sandal, let's draw a line down from the front and back. and a curve across. And that's it for the left leg. Now let's hop over and let's draw the right side. Let's start with 2 angles over to the right and a bumpy line across, and continue it around in the same way. Now let's continue the leg with another 2 angles down and out underneath. Now for the foot, let's bring it down on the left and out on the right side. And let's close it off with a curve across. Now let's hop in and let's draw 2 curves down for the toes. Now to add the sandal, let's draw 2 curves inside each toe. And then 2 more across the top of the foot. Now underneath, let's draw a line down on both sides and a curve across. And that's it for the feet. Next, we're going to hop up and we're going to draw the piece of the belt hanging down. On the right side, under the vest, let's draw a wavy line down and then curve it down and bring it up. And let's add 1 more wavy line inside from the top. Lastly, we're going to hop up and we're going to draw the hat on the back of the body. Let's start under the hair on both sides and let's draw a curve down and in. And then inside the hat, we're going to draw a dotted line pattern like this. And that's it for Labubu Luffy. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!